Kim here, and welcome to my film space. This is the space where I film. I have a second YouTube channel called Very Merry Kim. It's just a little bit of Christmas all year round until December, and then like it's on. This is where I film ran into a boom arm. This is where I film everything for that. As you can see, those shelves are not looking good. I decluttered them, got rid of most of my books. That was a really big deal in my minimalist quest, journey, I don't know, I need a word for it, and I don't like the word journey, blah blah blah. I need to declutter this and fix it so I can film a video tomorrow. I can't do that until this looks presentable. Let us declutter. This is the desk that has, oh my gosh, like hodgepodge is not even the right word for it. That stuff I'm donating, so that's gonna get moved. This is stuff that's gonna be used for a giveaway on the Very Merry Kim channel. This is a 250-year-old book I need to find a home for here. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it. That's a book I wrote. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have streaming stuff because when I did live streams, this was where I live streamed. I'm gonna bring that back, but for now, we're gonna clean it all up just so that I can feel like I can breathe again. So we're gonna start with the desk. Then we're gonna move on. Hi webcam, hi face, and other face. When I live stream, I wear wigs, and see, even that situation is not good. That's Clark. Such a view in my life right now. After the desk, we're gonna tackle the shelves and make them look okay because it's my video background. And then we're gonna take care of this super cute tree. I've got a video up here of how I decorated the Valentine's Day tree. A lot of crossover stuff is happening right now, but oh man. Let's make this not gross. Alright, so yeah, I did write these books right here. I'll leave a link for them in the description if you want. I don't think they're very good, which is why I don't really talk about them that much anymore. It's a whole big long thing, my journey as a writer, author, person, and anyway. That's part of the reason books are my life though, and it was a big deal to get rid of so many books, which we'll probably talk about a little later. Also, I'm undoing my webcam right here, and like, I don't know, I really want to get back to live streaming. I really, really loved it, and like, we had such a great community and all that stuff, and so I do hope to get back to live streaming. If that's something that you're interested in, or that you want more info about, or you have ideas of what you'd want to see if you wanted to catch me live once a week, let me know in the comments. Let's kind of start a conversation about what we might want that to be. I'm totally open to stuff for that, and ideas for that, and new things for doing a weekly live show. So let me know in the comments. And I should probably mention this rock that I keep moving around everywhere I go. It's usually next to my phone. I'm doing some like chakra energy work right now, and that means I kind of have to carry around a corresponding rock, crystal, stone thing, blah blah blah. Anyway, I can do a video on that if you want to know more about like the energy work that I'm doing and the woo-woo stuff. Just let me know if you want a video on my spiritualness, and I'll totally put one together for you. Oh, looks so much better. Look at it. Here's what's funny though. Here's my desk, and here's this chair like shoved right up against it, and a couch cushion that goes over there, way back there. So this is the chair where I fire people. Just kidding. That's just how I feel. It's here while we finish up a home renovation in one of our rooms, and then I have a few very old stuffed animals from my childhood and an extension cord. Neat. Those are gonna have to stay for today, just a few more weeks. I'm just really trying to hang in there. Oh man. But the desk is beautiful. So now we can move on to the shelves. These bad boys. Oh my gosh. 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 Before we get to decluttering and organizing, let's have some ambiance. Yay, lights! fine. I ended up on my phone so much during all of this. It's just kind of funny. You're just gonna have to see me on my phone a lot. There's a lot going on. Life, you know? A lot of conversations happening. Work stuff, life stuff, husband stuff, whatever. Lots of phone today. But that's real life, and you're just seeing my life. All the realness, which includes a phone. Now I'm going to sort of categorize my books, get them in the right kinds of piles, I guess. They're going to be stacked on the shelf, on a couple of shelves. I'm going to have little piles here and there, so I'm going to categorize them, I guess, as to, you know, middle grade kind of books for Ruthie, and then favorites, and anyway, we're going to try to put some sort of book system together for the few books I have left. This is pretty much it. I really got rid of a lot. So we're going to try to figure out how I want to put what I have back on the shelves. How cute is that? Ruthie made an I heart you on my sequin box. She's the sweetest. It's so funny how many times I'll like decorate a shelf and then undecorate that shelf and just kind of go back and forth between everything to find it, to make it just right. And like, I feel like I still never get it right. Like every few weeks I'm moving something, rearranging something, altering something. I don't know if that's because I'm just never happy with it or if I just secretly really enjoy change. No, I do not secretly really enjoy change. I enjoy like a refresher, like breath of fresh air kind of moment, but actual change, I don't think anybody really likes that. Some people do, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, it takes me a lot of arranging and rearranging to get my shelves just right. beforehand, I had an idea for something, so I had to leave myself a quick voice note so I didn't forget my brilliance. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but when I did live stream, and when I will live stream in the future, I like to wear a different wig like every stream. So that's why I have all these wigs. Also, like for character and actor stuff. If you're new here, I am an entertainer / actor comedian person, and sometimes that means I have to have different hair. And I just really like wigs. They're just a fun thing for me. But for my live streams, I like to wear brightly colored, ridiculous wigs, which is why I have so many. And we need to organize them all so that they're kept in good condition, because I don't want to order new ones. And yeah, that really freaky looking one that's attached to the metal tin is named Clark, and that's the one that I actually style wigs on. So when I get a wig, I put it on Clark and then like make it, like style it so that it looks exactly how I want it to look. Oh my gosh, I think we're done. So those are my shelves. Everything's looking great. All my friends here, everybody's got its own spot, so nobody's on top of anybody else. Happy, happy. I think it's time to take down these decorations so we can put up the St. Patty's Day ones. I just really love Christmas, especially Christmas trees. I leave this tree up all year long and I decorate it for every holiday. So I did a Chinese New Year tree, and then I did a Valentine's Day tree, and I'm about to do a St. Patrick's Day tree. I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. It's probably gonna be a floral tree, since like I have mixed feelings about Easter and Easter decorations. So I'm probably gonna do like a whole artificial flower, kind of really pretty floral thing for it after St. Patty's Day. I'm kind of excited about it. Decluttering should be counted as cardio. That's all I'm gonna say. We got a ton decluttered today. I am feeling really great about that. It was kind of nice to declutter it all and then go back when I was putting things back on shelves and organizing it and making it look cute. It gave me a moment to sort of think again, and a few things, I got a little tiny pile there, especially of books, because you know, a little tiny pile of stuff that can be donated or rehomed. If you want to just check out my latest video, you can click or tap right up here. For something that YouTube thinks you're gonna like, you can click or tap right down here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and until we meet again, sparkle on.